show you, he is quite the gentleman. Of course I can ride him with a bridle and saddle and all that, but for fun, we just ride with a halter and a lead rope sometimes. And I'm going to hope that I can still get up without help. Sometimes I can do it. Yay! I did it! And he knows he's not supposed to leave. In fact, usually he's supposed to check in with me and ask what we're doing next, which is what he's doing now. Okay? And the way to teach your horse to do that is not to get on your horse and start going somewhere right away. Just relax. And now, right now, his ears tell you where his attention is. He's listening to me, and he's waiting. What are we doing? Okay? I'm going to ask him to yield his head. Okay? And he's supposed to hold it there until I say, okay, now I'd like it this way.